From ice rinks to the moon, AI is shaking up everything this week. We've got Olympic controversies, massive firings, and secret chip deals. Let's break down the chaos. Welcome to the Tech Ledger. AI music hits the Olympics. First up, history was made in Milan, but not everyone is happy about it. A Czech ice dance duo used AI-generated music in their Olympic routine. They mashed up AC/DC's Thunderstruck with an AI-created track. It fit the 90s theme, but fans and critics are calling it a depressing symbol. Critics say it kills the human artistry that makes figure skating special. Despite the noise, they placed 17th and moved on to the free dance. ByteDance and Samsung's chip mystery next. Is TikTok's parent company building its own AI brain? Reuters reports. ByteDance is partnering with Samsung to build 5-nanometer chips. It's codenamed SeedChip, designed to run AI apps cheaper than NVIDIA hardware. But here's the catch. ByteDance officially denied the report immediately. Still, with U.S. export bans tightening, Chinese tech giants are desperate for hardware. If true, this could be a massive blow to NVIDIA's dominance in China. OpenAI's adult mode. Fallout over at OpenAI internal drama is spilling into the public eye again. VP of Product Policy Ryan Beiermeister was fired in early January. OpenAI cites an alleged sexual discrimination claim against a male colleague, but insiders suggest friction over a controversial upcoming adult mode. This feature would allow NSFW interactions, which Beiermeister reportedly opposed. She denies the discrimination claims, but the timing raises serious questions. The end of an era at Boston Dynamics. In robotics news, the man behind the machines is stepping down. Robert Playter, CEO of Boston Dynamics, is retiring after 30 years. He took them from a research lab to a commercial powerhouse under Hyundai. He oversaw the launch of Spot and the creepy but cool new electric Atlas. CFO Amanda McMaster takes over as interim CEO while they hunt for a successor. XAI exodus and moon factories. Finally, chaos at XAI. Half the founding team has suddenly quit. 6 co-founders left right after the company merged into SpaceX. It looks like a brain drain right before a potential $1 trillion IPO, but Musk isn't worried. He's pitching a literal factory on the moon. The plan? Build AI satellites on the lunar surface and launch them into orbit. He wants computational supremacy using resources outside of Earth's limits. It sounds sci-fi, but with Musk, you never know what's real until it launches. That's the state of tech this week. Fast, messy, and a little scary. Which story worries you most? The AI music or the moon factory? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.